So this graph actually is looking at surface temperatures or surface temperature variations going back in time. So here we have, this is time 0, and this is going back 5,000 years, 10,000 years, 15,000 years, 20,000 years. So this is showing you, but check out how some of these oscillations go. This is looking at just ice core data, looking at the surface temperatures. So this is kind of interesting. Back to as much as 10,000 years ago, it was like kind of a little bit of a noise, but kind of a flat line, you know, and then it goes down like that. I don't know, but all that temperature information was obtained from ice cores. So another type of proxy data would be these looking at how a tree has lived its life through its various seasons. And we can look at the seasons that a tree has experienced by, if you know what you're looking at, for studying the tree rings. So you probably know that each year a tree lives, it grows another ring. And the width of these rings and that sort of thing can indicate the type of growing season that that tree had. Let's see, pollen is another type of proxy data where, again, pollen can form this sort of layer year after year of sediment, and then we can kind of then take a core of that and go back in time and get a sense for what sort of growing conditions there were, because the pollen indicates the type of vegetation that was growing, and the type of vegetation indicates the climate that was in place at that time. So, pollen records. So here are tiny pieces of pollen. I don't know as they are all necessarily these pretty colors, but they're pretty cool.